Looking for the best VR headsets for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 VR headsets that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a VR headset that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended VR headsets. Number 1 on the list is Oculus Quest VR Headset. This standalone VR headset offers incredible immersion with a high-resolution display, wire-free operation and 6 degrees of freedom, 6 DOF. It also offers a good amount of content that's fun to play and experience. One of the best things about the Oculus Quest VR headset is the fact that it's a completely standalone device. You won't need to connect it to your PC, gaming console or a smartphone in order to completely immerse yourself into virtual worlds. And while this means you'll lose a little power, the wireless design is well worth it. Plus, you still get an OLED display with a resolution of 1440 by 1600 ppi and surprisingly snappy Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 processor. The Quest also includes built-in motion tracking and 2 motion controllers, the combination of which give you a full 6 degrees of freedom in your movement. This means you can make almost any kind of movement and the Quest will register it within the game, if you're worried about playing in tight spaces. You can rest assured that this VR headset includes an innovative boundary feature that lets you draw the boundary you don't want to cross while playing. Once you near that boundary, the headset displays a grid that solidifies as you get closer and fades as you move away. The Oculus Quest also includes some of the best VR games available today, including options like Beat Saber and Superhot. The headset is designed well and is comfortable to wear, although it does feature some minor light leakage. Once playing, though, you'll hardly notice it. If you want more comfortable eyewear, then check out our guide to the top-rated smart glasses. Second on the list is Panzanite VR Headset. This mobile VR headset is comfortable and compatible with a wide variety of different smartphones. With included headphones and a gaming controller, this option gets you up and running on mobile VR games in no time. The Pansonite is a mobile VR headset that works with both iPhone and Android smartphones. It's compatible with all smartphones with displays ranging from 4 inches up to 6 inches. Simply place the phone in the front panel with the right VR apps installed and you're ready to go. The overall design of the Panzanite isn't as nice as some of the more expensive headsets, but that's to be expected at this affordable price point. We were impressed that the unit included integrated headphones. They're surprisingly comfortable, if a little flimsy. Your purchase even includes a small controller for gaming. The Panzanite excels at mobile performance, whether it's with games or movies. It mostly accomplishes this through its impressive lens setup. They're HD lenses with a wide 120-degree field of view. You can also adjust the lenses in 2 ways, interpupillary distance and focal distance. This allows you to create the most comfortable experience for your eyes. The headset itself is also comfortable with breathable padding on the face pads and headphones. Number 3 on the list is HTC Vive Cosmos. With an incredible display, integrated motion tracking and tons of VR content to choose from, this VR headset offers tons of value and immersion over the competition. It's also extra comfortable and easy to use. The HTC Vive Cosmos brings a new level of technical prowess to the VR world, and while it's certainly not a cheap VR headset for PC gaming, it can easily count itself among the best. For starters, it's designed with full immersion in mind. With an impressive 1700 by 1440 resolution per eye, 90 Hz refresh rate and full 6 DOF motion detection, the Cosmos allows you to dive completely into virtual worlds. One of the best parts about this HTC VR headset is the fact that it features integrated cameras, so you don't need external sensors around your room. And with a choice between Steam VR and Viveport, you'll have plenty of options when it comes to content. If you want to make sure your computer is running up to speed for VR use, take a look at the best gaming computer processor too. The overall design of the Vive Cosmos is impressive as well. It looks sleek and modern with an edgy triangle pattern across its front. The head straps and face pad are padded with faux leather, creating a comfortable experience. Fortunately, the padding is also breathable, so you won't be bothered by any excess sweat while you play. The motion controllers are comfortable and responsive, and the headset even includes some integrated headphones for better audio quality. The one downside about the headset is that it requires a physical connection to your PC. The cable is clunky and awkward, but once you get used to it, you can pretty much learn to ignore it. In the end, the added performance of being connected to a PC is well worth the physical connection. Number 4 on the list is Nintendo Labo VR Headset. If you're looking for hours of interactive and varied VR gaming experiences, this is the VR headset for you. It encourages creativity in both beginners and veterans alike, all at an incredibly affordable price point. There are no two ways about it. The Nintendo Labo VR kit is one of the most unique approaches to virtual reality on our list. Instead of assuming a single form, the Labo VR kit comes in a huge variety of different options. You start with a base set of VR goggles that you then build upon for different applications. Everything is made out of cardboard and needs to be created using the included interactive instructions. This creative approach provides for hours of fun, perfect for parents and children to do together. Of course, with so many different creations to experience, you might find your living room filled with cardboard quicker than you'd like. However, the fun of the process is well worth the extra clutter. When it comes to performance, we have to be honest in saying that we've experienced better. You use your Nintendo Switch as the graphical power behind the headset, which can make for a little bit of grainy image quality. However, we don't recommend purchasing the Labo kit purely for image quality. Instead, we recommend using it for the variety in games and interactivity you get. We were also pleased to find that Nintendo encourages healthy gaming habits by reminding you to take a break every so often. Because of its kid-friendliness and incredibly creative game options, the Labo is also the best VR headset for education. Number 5 on the list is Sony PlayStation VR Headset. If you're looking for amazing console virtual reality at a budget that won't break the bank, you can't go wrong with this VR headset. Plus, you get tons of gaming content with the required performance to run them smoothly. The Sony PlayStation VR headset has proven that you don't need an ultra-expensive gaming PC to experience high-quality VR immersion. Instead, all you need is a PS4 and a couple of PlayStation games. This is the best VR headset PS4 players can use, and if you already have the console, then you're already halfway there. Sure, the PlayStation VR doesn't feature as high a resolution or image quality as some of the other top-of-the-line options, but it does extremely well considering. It's got an OLED display with a 1920 by 1080 resolution and 100-degree field of view, which is great considering the relatively low price. The headset itself is also designed well. It's comfortable and breathable, enabling you to play for hours on end without getting bothered having a bulky device strapped to your face. There is some disappointing light leakage with the headset, but in the long run, it didn't affect our ability to play games. And speaking of games, you have a ton of options. You can play popular games like Skyrim VR and PlayStation VR Worlds, but there are many more options available, and more coming out regularly. Just now is a list of 5 best VR headsets that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, you will receive our latest videos. Thank you.